check this out. Simple little thing I want to tell you about today. We've got this Dustless chalk by Kedudes, and this is a little something we picked up. Great little something that we're going to donate to kids' classrooms. And let me tell you a little bit about why we picked these up. This here is a Dustless stick of chalk. If you've not seen these before, they have a slight coating of, I'm guessing it's a wax or something on the outside of these, so that when you're using them, you are not getting chalk all over your fingers or anything like that. I have like a black surface here that I work on, and there's no chalk or chalk residue on any surface for me just handling these. Now, traditional chalk, you know, as you use it, your hands end up so chalky and dusty. And I just want you to know this also does not affect the use of these. These still write so smooth, so well, so clearly. These are wonderful, wonderful additions to any classroom environment. And one of the things I love and appreciate about these is how they pack them. They're actually packed in a little bit of a foam deal. If you've ever bought chalk before and they get bumped around or dropped, you know, you might open them up and every single stick of chalk is shattered. But with this system here that they've got with the foam inside of this, it keeps them nice and protected. This is a great little gift pack if you are looking for something for a teacher who uses a lot of chalkboards. I think you're going to love it. This is the way to go. I think this is Dustless chalk. It's made by Kedudes. Check them out.